Hello everyone, in this video we are going to form quadratic equation for third part, and the question says Rohan's mother age 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So let's suppose let the age of Rohan be equals to x years. So clearly from the first equation we can assume, or you can say we can find that the age of Rohan's mother must be 26 older, means her mother is 26 older to Rohan, means the age of the mother must be 26 more than what Rohan's age is. And from the second part it is given that the product of their ages, means the multiplication of their ages 3 years from now. We have supposed the present age of Rohan as x year and the Rohan's mother age at this. You have to find the product after 3 years. So clearly if presently Rohan is of x years, so after 3 years Rohan age will be x plus 3, and if Rohan mother is x plus 26, so after 3 years the age of Rohan's mother will be this, and according to the question their product, means their multiplication, is basically equals to 360. So this is our required equation. Now you can solve. Multiply this x with both the terms, so x multiplied by x will become x square, x multiplied by 29 will become 29x. Now we have to multiply this with both the terms, so 3 multiplied by x is 3x, and 3 multiplied by 29 is basically 9 into 3 is 27, 2, 3 to the 6 and 2, 8, so this is 87 and this is 360. Now you can solve it and shift this to this side. So this will be x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 minus 360 equals to 0. Now this and this are like terms, so this can be solved. So 29 plus 3 is basically 32x, and plus minus is minus, so 360. When 87 is subtracted from 360, so 10 minus 7 is 3. Here it is 15, so 15 minus 8 is 7, and here will be 2 with negative sign. This is equals to 0 because greater value has negative sign. So this is our required quadratic equation for this particular question. Thank you.